Many of us are already involved in really important topics of change, improving health, social justice, working to improve economies and communities. This is where a really valuable concept in climate action comes into play, the idea of multi-solving. Multi-solving is finding and applying solutions that are rooted in justice so they can produce co-benefits that help health or resilience or community well-being, so that we're addressing climate while also addressing some of the other really important topics of today. For example, if we were to take action in cutting our fossil fuel emissions, we would have incredible health benefits for the planet. We would prevent 153 million premature deaths from air pollution over the next roughly 80 years. We would also save about $1.2 trillion per year as we see health benefits from having clean energy and also from clean transportation. So tackling climate change isn't just about climate change. And often that might be a smaller bullet as you approach other things that need improvement in society. One of the great tools for exploring the different possible solutions that are out there is this tool called En-ROADS, developed by Climate Interactive and the MIT Sustainability Initiative. This tool allows you to pull the levers yourself, seeing about subsidizing renewables, maybe taxing oil and gas, looking at what difference it makes for us to electrify our transportation or electrify our buildings and industry. Maybe we want to work on reducing deforestation or even making and building new forests, or perhaps developing technologies that are going to remove carbon dioxide from our atmosphere. So this tool allows you to pull the levers yourself and see that we need many solutions to be happening at once in order to make the climate goals that we want, reaching temperatures below 2 or as low as 1.5 degrees warming by 2100. And a key thing to remember here is that all of these solutions are available. Most of these technologies exist. And that even includes technologies that can help us remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Because one of the keys about approaching the very best future pathways for us is that we're removing carbon dioxide. So here you can see what our gigatons of carbon dioxide per year emissions might look with future scenarios. We can see that under the hottest, darkest red scenarios here, we're continuing to put carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, into the future. But in these best scenarios, the blue ones, where we're really reaching temperature goals that we've set out for ourselves, you can see that we're actually dipping below this zero emissions target, which means that not only are we reducing our emissions, but we're also continuing to work on and improve and bring to scale technologies that remove emissions. So multi-solving allows us to address climate while also dealing with other really important issues. This is a great option for policymakers who have a lot on their plate and need to tackle multiple challenges. There's also no silver bullet, so there's not a single solution that everyone should be attending to. Instead, implement solutions in the places that connect to your work and activities and passions. And remember, as we move to the future, we're going to be using actions and technologies that don't add carbon dioxide to the atmosphere, and also working on those technologies that will be removing it. So there's a lot of work ahead for us, and there's something for everyone to do.